Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can upgrade your central console to level 2 in Heartopia. So I'm still level 1, but basically if you go to the central console, there's this like energy bar. Basically, you will need to upgrade it from level 1 to level 2. So right now I need 300 more of these, of the like research energy. So how you can get it is you're basically going to do more research. So it says rewards upon completion. You'll get like 60. It does take like 2 days for it, which is kind of annoying. That means you need like to you'll be able to complete it in like a week or more, I think. So I do suggest you doing the one that gives you more energy, but it does take 2 days. So like this one would be 60 and then 120, 180, and then the rest. I'm the worst counter ever. But you get your rewards by researching. So yeah, if you want to upgrade your central console for the quest, you have to um, do some research to get the research energy in order to upgrade your console. So yeah, this quest does take like a week or more to do. So yeah, just be patient, honestly. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!